Let's suppose that we want to share this picture item on Facebook using the Selenium WebDriver API. We click on the Facebook share button and boom, the Facebook login page opens as a separate window. Now, how do we log in Facebook? The first thing we need to do is switch focus to this window here. Otherwise, Selenium WebDriver won't be able to interact with any of the elements contained in that window. So let's suppose that we have switched this window. The next thing we want to do is enter our credentials, log in, and verify that the share link button here is displayed. Let's implement all this using the Selenium WebDriver API. Drag and drop switch to window.py into Sublime Text. Here you can see that I have a Facebook test account that you can use. The username is tutoris123@gmail.com and the password is year 2014. If you have any problems using these credentials, please feel free to use your own. Now, the first thing that you should know is that Selenium WebDriver identifies a window by its handle. To get all the window handles in the session, you use driver.window_handles, which is a list. At this point here, we're only getting the handle to the main window since we have not clicked the Facebook share button yet. Here we click the Facebook share button. Now we have two windows, the main window and the Facebook login window. We get all the handles in the session, which is a list now that contains two items, a handle to the main window and a handle to the Facebook login window. Please note that this list is not ordered. Next, what we need to do is identify the handle to the Facebook window. Once we have identified the handle, we pass it to driver to that window to switch focus to that window. So at this point now, we have switch focus to the Facebook window. Next, what we need to do is enter the credentials, click the login button, and verify that the Facebook share link button is displayed. Let's run this test from the command line. And voila, now you know how to switch focus to a window. Next, let's see how to switch focus to an alert.